hearts, one world to see, under heaven's canopy, over oceans, over land, traveling from strand to strand. I see peaks or city streets. Earth has wonders, quite a treat. In Europe starts our journey's flight, where towers reach a soaring height. From alpine peaks to deep blue sea, there's history for you and me. To Asia now, the next long flight. Tea and rice fields, what a sight. Mountains high and temples grand, where ancient meets the modern land.
Spin the globe and stop the spin. Let the journey now begin. 7 puzzle pieces, grand and wide, with the waves on every side.
In Africa, it's wild and bright. The plains are bathed in golden light. Elephants and lions roam the sand across this vibrant sun-drenched land. North America, the lights will glow where the city skylines grow. From Arctic ice to desert heat, a modern world that's hard to beat. South America, they love to dance beneath the evening stars expand, and the Amazon flows through the green. A carnival, a festive scene.
Spin the globe and stop the spin. Let the journey now begin. 7 puzzle pieces, grand and wide, with the waves on every side.
In Australia, kangaroos hop, where coral reefs will never stop. A continent in the ocean blue, for surfing and for dreaming too. Down at the pole, it's dark and white. Antarctica is frozen tight. Penguins waddle through the gale, where only scientists leave a trail. The globe has spun its final round. Our feet are back on solid ground. 7 continents, it's plain to see. Our world is full of majesty.